Confirmation bias is the idea that you see a data point, it conforms to your preconceived notion of what the answer is. And you're like, I'm done. So you look at the opposite of that. You look at science, you look at legal and medicine, you go with science and the scientific method. You have a hypothesis, and then you do everything in your power to try to disprove that hypothesis. And then when you can't disprove it, you have to assume that it's true. In business, we see a data point and it's not our fault. It's how the brain works. And we're like, I told you that was the problem. We don't challenge it. We don't question it. We don't say, when is there a situation where that could be misleading, where that number is true, but it's not telling you the whole story? We don't follow processes in business like you do in science to help us there. So the confirmation bias, what probably happens daily to many of us 3, 4, 5 times a day. I think other things we see a lot is more of the availability bias. The more we're exposed to something, the more we believe it to be true. And so we're very influenced from a marketing perspective. Sometimes on the better end, we can use it for good things, but then sometimes we just build this mental model based off what we're exposed to. And that's, again, one of the reasons I'm passionate about diversity and inclusion, because you're breaking down those siloed mental models of everything's right because that's what I've seen. Knowing that the world's a much bigger place, there might be other perspectives that are better than mine. And that bias creeps in every day as well.